Let us start the computer first. We have to change this particular button into command prompt so that we can enter the commands to reset our password. So let us restart this computer 3 times in order to get the start recovery options. Guys, as you can see, we are now at our Windows startup options. I have here Windows 11 installation USB. You can also have Windows 11 installation DVD or Windows 10 or Windows 7, whatever Windows you are cracking. So I am going to attach this installation pen drive to my computer and then restarting my computer. And after starting immediately, you need to press this button. The button name is pause break. So let us start pressing this button, pause break. So it will pause the screen, as you can see. So here we have to find the shortcut for boot menu. So what is boot menu? Boot menu means we will have the options to boot the Windows from. So let us press F12. As you can see, we have 2 disks. One is our pen drive. Pen drive is vendor co-product, and Kingston is our hard disk. So we need to boot from the pen drive now. Let us press enter or mouse click. Now it will start the computer from the pen drive. So here you need to enter any language, currency format. It's okay. Next. And rather than installing the Windows, you need to press repair your computer. Now you got the options again: troubleshoot and command prompt. So first of all, we have to check where our Windows is placed in our computer. So for that, we will go to disk part first, disk part, then enter disk part. Spelling were wrong. After disk part, we have to enter this command, list disk. So we have only one hard disk here. So let us select this hard disk, select disk 0. So after selecting this disk, we have to check where our Windows is installed. So for that, we have list volume. So now our Windows, I think it is in 101 GB, because it cannot be in 500 MB. It is 101 GB, and in 101 GB's letter is E. Generally our Windows is installed in C, but here it is showing a different letter. So we have to enter the commands according to this particular letter. Okay, exit from the disk part. Now here we have to put the whole command. So let us put the whole command. The command is you need to copy a file, copy space, then E. E is the letter here where our Windows is installed. Press enter. So one file copied, as you can see. The next command, there is a final command that is also given in the description below. So let us enter that command as well. Now guys, I have entered the second command. As you can see, we are copying the cmd.exe file in here into utilman.exe file. So let us press enter. It is demanding overwrite. Do we need to overwrite? Yes. Press Y and enter. One file copied. Now it is done. So we will have that icon changed now into CMD. So let us restart our computer. Click cut and turn off, and afterwards let us restart our computer from here. we have this button. As you can see, this button has been converted into command prompt cmd. Now we have to change our password. Guys, the command is net space user space. What is the username? Now here we have to enter the username. The username, as you can see, web4 is our username. Web4 space our new password. So let us press enter button. The command completed successfully. Now our password will be 12349 and web. So let us try to enter this password in here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then web. So as you can see here, click. As you can see, guys, we are now into our Windows 11. Just like that, you can crack any Windows password, Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, 11, any Windows password you can crack easily. If you want to undo this hack, because anybody can change your password now, if you want to get that narrator button again, there is a way to undo that hack as well. Come to those advanced settings, advanced startup settings, startup options, click here and restart now. We are again at that particular screen. Now click on the troubleshoot, advanced options, cmd, and now here we have to undo that hack. For that we have some commands that are also given in description box, you can check from there. I have entered the whole command. We have to now copy utility manager to its original position. Let us press enter. So it will ask overwrite y and enter one file copy. You can also exit from here as well. And now try to click in here. Here, guys, as you can see, we don't have cmd command prompt again. We have that utility manager again in here. You can subscribe to this channel for these kinds of videos in future. Thanks for watching.